Good morning, friends. Welcome to our YouTube channel. At the beginning of the episode, Krishna tells Pratigya that I am trying to recall, but nothing is clearly remembered. Suddenly, he recalls that he was the Pratigya on the day of the accident. Krishna stops the car and come out of it. Krishna starts telling that I am betraying my wife for a long time because of you. Pratigya tell him because of me you realize the importance of love and previously you used and threw a girl. Krishna tell her this is not love, so don't try to name it as love. Krishna left over his car and Pratigya cry over there. While on the way, Krishna thinks, why I am not able to recall anything properly. There, Pratigya was thinking that it has become more dangerous by making him remember about the half-truth. Pratigya come back home and Sumitra asked, when you will go from there or you are thinking about any trick to stay here only. Sumitra say, none of your trick would work, so take your bag and leave. Pratigya asked, where is Krishna? Meera say, she won't go like this. I have to drag her out of the house. Komal tell them not to hurry. This is Krishna's matter, so let them handle it. Meera held her hand and was able to drag her out. Suddenly, Krishna came there. Krishna tells Meera to leave her hand and say she won't go anywhere. Sajjan Singh tells him why you are not on your words as you stopped Meera by saying that Pratigya would leave this house. Krishna told them I don't want any debate on this topic and if anyone has an objection of my decision, he or she can leave this house and go. Krishna took her bag and take her into the house. Meera was telling Sumitra that I don't know what game he is trying to play with me, so I have decided that I am leaving this house. Sumitra tell her if you would go this time, then remember Krishna won't come to stop you, so you have to stay here and think about what to do next. Krishna tells Pratigya you can stay here and keep your stuff where they are. Pratigya tell him, you are not able to look into my eyes properly, so how you will make stay there? Krishna says, you are my responsibility and there was a relationship between us, so I have to bear all this. Krishna came back to his room and tell Meera, I am sorry that I did not obey your words. Meera told him, I am understanding everything and in your happiness I am happy. Krishna makes her sit and say, I am very lucky to have you because you understand me more than anyone else. Didi came to Pratigya and tell her, now you have your meal as Krishna let you stay here. Pratigya say, he let me stay here, but why he is not considering me as her wife? Didi told her, slowly he will remember everything and would give you your rights. Pratigya say, I am also in the same hope. The upcoming episode, Krishna was telling Pratigya that you cannot be my first wife. Pratigya get furious and slap him. Krishna went inside the room and locked the door. To know more about your favorite show Man Ki Awaaz Pratigya Season 2, keep watching my channel. Thank you.